English Pasha tables together. I'm going to use the date field as one key, but that's not going to be enough because there are dates with multiple Pashas appointed, and some of them share the same name, or in any case, it'll be hard to work it out. So I'm going to create a second key to help me index them, and I'm going to use given name as that key. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reconcile the given name field with Wikidata, and then I'm going to get Wikidata to automatically supply the translation for these names, and then I'll use that translation to sort as a second sort column to reconcile these two. So this will show you how Wikidata can provide information to enrich a data set for other purposes. Okay, so I need to start reconciling given name with Wikidata. It should offer me the possibility of reconciling this against the type first name or given name. I can't remember what Wikidata calls it. Male given name, that sounds right. And so I'm just going to start reconciling that. It will take a moment, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Not all of them reconciled, but for those which were relatively easy to reconcile, and that was basically every name that came up more than once was easy to reconcile. They're reconciled, and now I'm going to add a column from the reconciled values. And the property that I want to take from Wikidata to add this column is the English language label of that. The code is LEN, label in English. So it has found these labels, and it will add a column with these labels in it. I hope those labels, so the English labels are all there. Now I'm going to export this table to reconcile it with the English language table. So I just want to add an entry identifier column for the names, given names, Wikidata IDs, and then I can clear the reconciliation data from these given names, and I've got a good clean table that I can now export as a tab separated value. I'll open that. And I will get the Pashas list, the English language Pashas list. I'll export that. Okay, so now I have these two tables to work with, which are have the same data in them but sorted differently. So I need to use these. I need to find these two keys to sort the data by, and those are going to be, first of all, date and then given name. So I'll sort this table by date and then by first name. And I'll do the same thing with the Arabic table, sorting it by, I have to tell it that the range contains column labels, so sort it by date and then by the English language label for the given name. Okay, now I should be able to bring these two together. It's already selected the material for me, so I'm just going to paste it all right here. And we'll bring this date column, paste it here, and then I'm going to bring the given name column and paste it just to the left here. And I'll get the first name column and I'll paste it here. And then we can just go down and see if these names are matching up, and they're looking pretty good so far. So I'm just going to run all the way down here and see what sort of name problems I might encounter. Looks like Abdul Qadir and Ahmed. Looks like there's some alphabetization problems here for these dates. So I'm going to go through and clean this up off screen, getting them all in order, and then I will come back.